Welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be making a dish with chayote. Have you seen chayote before? What is chayote? What can you make with chayote? How do you clean chayote? These are some random questions that obviously is going to come after this video. So to jump before that, this is chayote. Chayote is an Asian vegetable. If you are not so familiar, it runs in the wintermelon family, so it has a lot of water content in it. You can mix your dishes with proteins of any choice, or you can have a stir fry of whichever way you want. So I'm going to show you a traditional method of how we make this into a stir fry. So chayote, once you clean it, take out the skin and trim both sides, and then dice it up or use a food processor to chop up any way you want. That's not a problem. Once you clean it, it becomes very sticky, and that is very common. So what do? After you peel it, you wash it and you keep it aside. And then there's a pit inside. You do need to get that rid of it. If the fruit or the vegetable is mature, the seed will be bigger. If it is very small and firm, the seed will be very minimal. And when you cut it up, this is the format that I cut it up. One of this vegetable turns out to this size, so you don't need a whole lot, okay? And it's very seasonal, so whenever you get it, just go along with it. For this, there's a lot of water content, and I'm going to use salt to help us prep to extract all that excess water, because I don't like it soggy. Do you like it soggy? Then definitely don't do this, because I like my vegetable nice and crisp. We put the salt in. We're gonna mix it up, okay, just so that it sits there for like about a couple of minutes. You'll see the excess water coming if it is a fresh chayote, chum chum, whichever one you want to call it. You can already see the moisture just coming, right? So that's that. So for the rest of the ingredients, we need coconut oil, mustard, green chilies, garlic, curry leaves, turmeric powder, shallots, grated coconut, along with some salt. The salt is just in case if you need it, okay? We already salted it, and this is going to be extracting some water. You can see at the bottom of this, there's more water coming. We're going to be draining that out, okay? All right, so first off, we're going to start off with our stove. Go in with some coconut oil, not a whole lot, just a little bit. Once that heats up, we are going to go in with our mustard to temper our dish. Once that starts to dance around, we're going to add all our fresh ingredients, which is green chilies. It's up to your spiciness. I have 2 of them right now. 1 garlic clove, a few curry leaves, turmeric powder, and a little bit of shallot. So shallot is preferred rather than onions or pearl onions. If you're doing this with shrimp or anything else, then I would go with pearl onions, because that flavor of this, the pearl onions adds to the shrimp. This is a different experience. So I will show that one of those recipes coming shortly. We're going to go in with our fresh ingredients, which are curry leaves, garlic, and green chilies. Let's add a few tablespoons of our shallots. Give it a good mix. At this stage is what the trick is. You're going to get that spoon, get rid of that spoon, and squeeze off all the excess water from this. Look at that water content. Okay, I like mine nice and crispy, so I'm just going to squeeze out all of that excess water. Okay, into our dish. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. We're going to go in with our grated coconut. And voila, our dish is almost done. That's how simple it is how to make chow chow or chayote. How do you pronounce it in your language? Taste before you add more salt into it, because you added salt at first. Very good. Just like I like it, crunchy. So this dish is about done. You can serve this along with any other dishes for your rice, our papaya curry, our mango curry, or any of the previous vegetables that I have showed before. This is just like a simple recipe that you can recreate any time of the year. It's pretty obvious that we get these available in our local grocery stores. So check them out. If you have never tried it, I dare you to try it. If you need help on how to prep it, you know where to reach me out. See you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.